Hey guys, it is Greg again. I wanted to go over the markets. Lots of people are panicking. They're panicking, which is to be expected, I guess. You know, everybody's still calling for this 20K BTC. Just looking at it now, guys, you know, I'm looking at Bitcoin and this move here. To me, this seems like a fourth wave of some sort that I think I said earlier in a video, can't remember, but that's kind of what I was suspecting because I know some people went long in there and I didn't. And they did make, you know, gains on that fourth wave because it popped up, but I kind of suspect it was going to just go up and come back down and do this move. And you can see, you know, there's a lot of divergence between that move there and this move. They came down and wicked to 29,070-ish or something like that. So more than likely, in my opinion, I'm going with this. This is kind of winging it, but a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you check fib levels, it does, it is possible move down into the 1.618 on that third wave. It is possible that somehow in here, this was an A, B, C, okay? Somehow possibly this was an A, B, C. Don't know how to break this up right here. I've looked at it, it's very difficult to do. And potentially that could be a completion of a Y leg there, okay? Potentially. Now, the bad news is that if this is a 5 wave, it could be the start of something, like easily something like that, and then down like that, guys. So now the evidence towards it completing something could be there, fairly high. It came down and hit the wick. It wicked down to there at this area. So the bottom end of this target area, which hits there, this support, this support, this support in this area. So again, guys, Bitcoin is at the moment of truth. We'll have to see. Now, the other thing too, on this 8-hour chart, if you take a look at this 8-hour chart on the RSI, you know, if you put a, on the RSI, it's at 13. It's actually a little bit less than that at 13.5, 13.3. And the only other time it wicked that low is you got March of 2020 and then over here of November 2019 on the, and over here of having that wick. So that is a good sign right there, in my opinion, of a potential bottom. I'm saying potential. It's going to just depend. It's going to depend on what it's going to do from here. So the reason I say that is that I mentioned this before. Here's the third, fourth wave, and this is where a lot of these coins like to correct. So, and then I'll go over the other alts later, looking at this and show you that like a lot of them came down into my targets. And I'll just show that later. I'm just going over Bitcoin for now, guys. So there's a potential of something going on here, in my opinion. So, and then again, if it's worst case scenario, you know, then this is the start of something, and it's going down more. So we'll have to see what's going to be happening here at this area, because Bitcoin is at a moment of truth, and it could wick down maybe. If that is a 5 wave, then we should be expecting something to the upside this way for a little bit, and then have more confirmation of what's going to be going on once it starts making that move up, and then can watch that move to see what kind of move it is, and then what's going to be doing on the way back. So for those that want to be bullish, this is what you're going to want to see in this area. if you want to be bullish with Bitcoin. So I'm going to go with the bulls right now. In this area, say that's the end of it. You're going to want to see something. It's going to be something, you know, but it's not going to look clean at all. It's not going to look clean. It's going to look like crap, and it's going to confuse people. And it's going to be like over here. It's going to look like crap, but you should be able to get 5 waves out of it. Okay. It'll be like this, something like that. And it probably won't even be that high. It'll probably be smaller than that. Okay. And then this move right here is going to send everybody into a frenzy, because it's going to come down and it's going to come so close to that area right there. And it'll send everybody into a frenzy. It will come just right to it. Like even something like that, even closer than that, it's going to come right to it. So that's for the bulls. That's what you're going to want to see. And that's likely, if it is out of here, that's likely what you're going to see. Okay. If not, then it's going to go up, and then it's just going deeper. So for the bulls, if you're a bear, then it's just probably going up on some move here, up again to this area, and then to whiz back down like that if you're a bear. So that's kind of what I'm keeping my eye on for Bitcoin. Let you guys know is that I've been paying attention to this area. I'm not surprised to see this move, and with everything that's going on with Luna and UST and the alts, and then this little move on Bitcoin just drove them all down closer to the target areas. And so we'll see what's going to happen here in the next week or so with Bitcoin. So you know, it's definitely at a moment of truth, and this is going to be the area here, what's going to be going on with Bitcoin here in the next week or two. All right, guys, thanks for watching my video. Peace.